Today we're going to learn about the Connect activation process in your new 911. The first step in the process is to set up your My Porsche account. Let's begin. You'll start by opening up the activation email you received when you purchased your 911. Then select Continue to Activation. And next we'll create a Porsche ID. Now select Request Confirmation Code, and it will send the confirmation text to your phone. There's the code, now select it. And now we'll create our password. Select Continue. Next you'll be prompted to create a 4-digit security code. And we'll re-enter that same code again. Congratulations! The vehicle's been added to your profile. I'll select Done. And now we'll need to log into the My Porsche app using the account we just created. Select Login and Continue. Put in your email address and password, and then hit Continue. And there you go, we now have set up our My Porsche account and registered our vehicle in the My Porsche app. Now we're going to continue the Connect activation here in the vehicle. So the first thing you're going to come to is this setup wizard. And the first screen is going to ask you about what language you would like to continue in. Well, we've got English here, but there is also Spanish and French. We're going to continue in English for this video. Select Next. Now it's going to load the accounts. And there it is. I'm going to select my account there. Okay, now we have a QR code. I'm going to take the camera on my mobile device. I'm going to hold it up to the QR code and wait for the link. Select the yellow link there. Now I'm going to check to see if this code matches the code on my mobile device, and it does, so I'm going to select Confirm. Your account has been successfully connected. Now there's a few things that will happen here. One of which is if you have any previous settings in another car, like your seat settings or climate control, those may adjust, but also you will hear static. Now what this is it's going to the FM station in the very first one, so don't be alarmed at all. As soon as it comes on, all you'll have to do is hit the mute button. There's the static. We'll select the mute button here. Okay, let's move on through the rest of our setup wizard here. On this next screen, it's asking you about a security code. We suggest that you use automatic without a security code for the best ease of use. I'm going to select that and then select Next. Now it's going to ask us about Connect services. Basically, would we like to use those online? Of course we would. Let's select Use Online. Outstanding. Our Connect services are now activated. We're going to select Next. There are a couple things to choose from in regards to voice control. One is online speech recognition. This is great because it opens up a very large, so to say, speech library for it to choose from. And the next is Activate with Hey Porsche. I'm going to select both of these and hit Next. Hey Porsche is great because you can turn on Porsche Voice Pilot by just the term Hey Porsche. All right, now we're going to connect a mobile device. On your mobile device, you're going to go to Settings, Bluetooth, and here on the PCM, you're going to select Search for Device. There it is, the 911, here on the bottom. And here you can see my phone. I'm going to select it. We have a pairing request on your mobile device. Select Pair. Would you like to allow your favorites to sync? Yes, I would. I'm going to select Allow. Now, would you like to connect Apple CarPlay? I'm going to select Connect. Outstanding. We're done on our mobile device for now. I'm going to select Next on the PCM. Porsche wishes you a safe journey. Now select Finish. Now to complete the process with Apple CarPlay, you'll need to select the Apple CarPlay icon. Enable Bluetooth and Vehicle Hotspot to use Apple CarPlay. Select Activate. A Porsche phone is connected. Would you like to use Apple CarPlay? Yes, I would. Here you can see the icon turn green. Select it, and there we go. You now can activate and use the Connect services in your new 911.